Aloha my kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Sorry it's been a long hiatus. I know I say this all the time, but you know, life interrupts, as a great friend once said to me. And you know, I'm gonna try to do these videos a little bit more frequently. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate all of you, every single one of my subscribers. And don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any suggestions, song ideas, or you know, just tell me you're out there and watching the videos. Today we're going to be covering a song called Hawaiʻi 78, written by Mickey Ioane. It truly is an iconic song and a very recognizable song from Hawaii, and probably the most popular version is that from Israel Kamakawiwa Ole's Facing Future album. And prior to that, he actually recorded it with his group, the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau. Typically what I would do is I would show you the chords of the song, strumming pattern, and the Olelo Hawai'i, which is the Hawaiian language lyrics. We would cover that. But I thought I'd kind of change it up a little bit, and we'll sort of dive into this song. It is a little bit more advanced. I would call it maybe intermediate level. So for those of you who've been wanting a challenge, this is the video for you. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cover, this song has a very unique and identifiable picking pattern. So we're gonna cover the picking pattern for this song, and then we're gonna cover mostly the intro, or the opening of the song, which is Ua mau kea o ka ʻāina I ka pono. The life of the land is perpetuated in righteousness. We're gonna use a D, which has this high octave D, and I'll show you why we're gonna do that in a minute with the pinky up here, okay, and then a bar on the second fret, and then the next chord is gonna be a B flat, okay. We're gonna use a sort of a embellishment technique by putting the pinky on the C note on the top here, so it'll sound like, okay, B flat. And then the final chord is a really simple song in theory. Final chord is just a C. Okay, so D, B flat, C. And so those are the bass chords, okay? So we're gonna start with those, and I'll show you how we're gonna kind of spruce it up in a little bit, okay? Let's go ahead and dive into the picking pattern that we're gonna use. I think this is the first time we've ever really truly talked about picking on this channel, so really excited. So we're gonna designate the thumb to the G string and the C string. It's a downward motion just like that, okay? Okay. The index finger is going to be assigned to the second string, or the E string. And the middle finger is going to be designated to the very first string here, or the A string. Okay? Simple. So the picking pattern is going to sound just like this. So I'll start with this D. We're going to have the thumb do the first, the 4 and 3 strings. Okay, index finger. Simple. Okay, and then switch to the B flat. Okay, and then the C. Back to the D. Okay, so it may take a while for you to get to kind of stabilize that picking pattern and get it consistent. So it's very important to have that thumb hit that you know, that very prominent downbeat on the first on the first beat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the key is to kind of practice this at a very slow tempo till you can get that kind of consistent, steady picking pattern. This is about the tempo where we're going to end up playing this song. Is about 108, maybe 110, but I like to be in that 108 zone. You may have noticed already that D, going from the D to the B flat is going to be very, very tricky, right? Because you're going like from this shape to this shape. So what I like to do is sort of like a trick to get to the B flat quickly is I'm taking my ring finger and I'm hitting to that B flat early and then allowing time for these two fingers to come down here for the B flat chord. Okay, so I hit this B flat note with my ring finger early from the D, and then these two drop down. Let's tackle the opening ʻukulele Hawai'i, or the Hawaiian lyrics, okay? Ua mau ke ea o ka ʻāina I ka pono o Hawai'i, okay? Ua mau ke ea o ka ʻāina I ka pono o Hawai'i. We're going to go ahead and embellish that intro on the ukulele side. The reason why we have this pinky up here on the high D is we're going to walk down chromatically. Okay, and then we're going to switch to the B flat. And remember I mentioned earlier on the B flat, we're going to hit the high C over here with the pinky as well. So we're going to do C, lift up the pinky, put down the pinky. Okay, and then we're only going to do this once. We're going to do pick. Okay. Okay, so I'm hitting the pinky with my hitting the C with my pinky, lifting up, and then just playing out the rest of the that B flat arpeggio with my index finger here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the C, going down to the B note, and then lifting up. Okay, and then back to the D. Okay, so this is what it'll sound like. Okay, so this is what it'll sound like with the Hawaiian lyrics, okay? One more time. Great job. Rather than kind of pick apart the rest of the song is in English, so or mostly in English. You can kind of figure out the rest of the song, I think, on your own. Great job, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me month after month lately. And I really hope you guys stick around because I have a lot of great things planned for this channel. If you want to know more information about me, you can go to www.stevenespaniola.com. And until next time, I'll see you guys on the next one. Ahuiho and malama pono.